the perimeter of a triangular plot is 600 meters. If the sides are in the ratio 5:12:13, then find the area of the plot. So let's draw a triangle. So he says the perimeter is 600. Let's take a triangle ABC, right? And they have given the ratio. The sides are in the ratio 5:12:13. Ratio is 5:12:13. So let the sides be 5x, 12x, 13x. So we'll say this is 5x, 12x and 13x. We know the perimeter 600 meters, which means 5x plus 12x plus 13x is equal to 600. 30x is equal to 600. X is equal to 20. If x equal to 20, then the sides are 5x, 12x and 13x. So 5 into 20 equal to 100. 12 into 20 is equal to 240. 13 into 20 is equal to 260. So the sides have become 100, 120, 240 and 260. So the sides are, based on what he has given, the sides are 100, 240 and 260. Hope this is clear. Now we know that area is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, right? We have to substitute in this formula. So I hope so far it is clear, and we have found the sides of the triangle. Let me clear this. So area is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, which will be square root of 300 into 300 minus 100, 300 minus 240 and 300 minus 260, which will be 300 into 200 into 60 into 40, right? If you expand this, it will be 3 into 10 into 10 into 2 into 10 into 10, 6 into 10 into 4 into 10. Now we have, how many tens are there? 6 tens are there. So because it is a square root, we could take 3 tens out. The rest of it, let's put it here. 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. We can split this 6 as 3 into 2. This 2 I have put straight away. And this 3 I have put here. This 2 I have put here. This 6 I have split into 3 into 2. And then the 4 you can split into 2 into 2. So which will be 1000. So out of 4 2's I can take 2 2's outside. 2 3's I can take. So out of 4 2 I can take 2 2 outside, which will be 3000 into 4. It will be 12,000 meter square. So area of the triangle is 12,000 meter square. I hope this is very clear. So this is the area of the triangle, 12,000 meter square. The sides are in the ratio 5x, 12x and 13x. So we just add all of that and then equate it to the perimeter, which is 600 meters. From that we calculate the value of s. So s is equal to 600 divided by 2, which is nothing but a plus b plus c by 2. You consider this as a, this is b and this is c. That's a plus b plus c by 2, which will be 600 by 2 which will be 300. That's how we calculated the value of S to be 300, and from there we subtracted that and derived the answer 12,000 meters square. Hope this is clear for you. Let's look at the next question. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. So I have a triangle ABC. Since this is an equilateral triangle, all the sides will be x. So 3x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 3, which is 60. So all the sides will be 60, 60 and 60. Now he wants the area. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, which is 60 plus 60 plus 60 by 2, which is 90. So S is 90. Area is equal to square root of 90 into 90 minus 60 will be 30. 30 into 30 into 30. And that's going to be square root of, let's split it up, 3 into 3 into 10. And this is going to be 3 into 10, 3 into 10, and one more 3 into 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 3's here. So if you take the 4 10's here, so we'll take 2 10's outside, and out of 4 3's we'll take 2 3's outside, and then there will be one root 3 remaining. So which will be 100 into 9, 900 root 3. So if you multiply this, approximately 900 root 3 will be 155.8 centimeters square. Approximately that's going to be there. So you can leave it as 900 root 3 centimeters square. If you want the full decimal answer, you can say it is 1558.8. 1558.8 centimeters square. Okay, that's going to be your answer in decimals. This is the answer without converting to decimal, 900 root 3 centimeters square. So hope this is clear. The problem number 4 in exercise 7.1. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. Hope this is clear. Let's do the next problem. Problem number 5. An advertisement board is in the form of an isosceles triangle with perimeter 36 meter and each of the equal sides are 13 meter. Find the cost of painting it at rupees 17.50 per square meter. So first we'll draw an isosceles triangle, right? So we'll draw an isosceles triangle. These two are equal. These are the equal sides. He says 13 meters, 13, 13, and the total is 36 meter. So 36 minus 13 plus 13, which will be 10. So the remaining side is 10, right? So this is the problem. So each of the equal sides is 13 meters. The other one is 10 meters. So which means we have the sides as 13, 13 and 10. So what about the value of, now we know that area is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where small a, b, c are the sides of the triangle. Now here S will be A plus B plus C by 2, which will be 26 plus 10, 13 plus 13, 26. So 36, which he has already given, 36 by 2, which will be 18. Now we'll take this 18 here and put it here. 18 minus 13. So we'll put it as 18 minus 13. 18 minus 13 and 18 minus 10. So if you do this calculation again, so which will be 3 into 3 into 2, 18 can be written as this. This is a 5. This is a 5. And this can be written 18 minus 10 is 8. So that will be 2 into 2 into 2. So we have two 5's. We can take out one 5. So we have 2 3s, we can take out 1 3, and then we have 4 2s, we can take out 2 2s. We are taking it out of the square root, so it will be halved. So out of these 2 5s, I have taken 1 5. Out of these 2 3s, I have taken 1 3. Out of these 4 2s, I have taken 2 2s. So the answer will be 60. What's the unit they have given? It's meters. So 60 meters square is the area of the triangular advertisement board. The advertisement board which is in the form of a. So now we want to find the cost of painting it at the rate of 17 rupees 50 paise. So what is the cost of painting it? 60. The cost of painting it will be 60 into 17.50. This is rupees. So this is in meter square. So if you multiply 60 into 17.50, 1050 rupees. So you can write this as 1050. So we have an advertisement board in the form of an isosceles triangle with the equal sides being 13 and 13. So he has given the perimeter as 36. Perimeter of this triangle as 36. So 36 minus 13 plus 13 will give the remaining side, which is 10. And from that we calculate S value, which is 18. And after calculating S value, we calculate the area, which is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. From that, we arrive at this calculation and the final answer is 1050. Let's continue the rest of the problems in our next video. Thank you.